Hi, welcome to my channel. Guess what? It's about rowing. This is the video you didn't know you wanted, because you definitely don't want it. Middle-aged man just rowing. Video all about rowing. And actually, rowing is an incredibly boring activity, especially when it's indoors. It's basically pulling on a big stick attached to a fan. Granted, rowing on the water, much more about technique and much more interesting, with the risk of getting wet.
Heads! Look! Ah, shit.
The only risk indoors is getting sweaty. Now, you'd think I'd be an incredibly good rower, because I am in fact 6'8", but that's not really so. No, I'm probably better than the average person in the gym. Now, if you've got any comments about my technique, keep them to yourself, or drop them in the comments and make the video look popular. That's probably the best thing. Now, I'm sure I'll edit this together to make it even more dull. But anyone that enjoys a 6'8" guy rowing indoors, hence pulling a stick back and forth, there you go, just for you. I'm not quite sure what these mics are going to be like. You may just hear a fan whirling round. Anyway, sports fans, over and out.